Hello and welcome. Need dinner with zero effort but max flavor? This ginger chicken stir fry is your answer. Let's get straight into it. So let's start by cutting up our chicken into some bite-sized pieces. So let's start marinating our chicken. I'm going to start with a pinch of salt, some sugar, white pepper, some Chinese cooking wine, light soy sauce, some dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and some sesame oil, and add some corn flour. Mix that all through, and we're going to set this aside to marinate for half an hour. So let's start with our ginger. I'm going to give that a clean. Julienne your ginger into thin strips. I've got 3 spring onions here. I'm going to cut the end bit off first and then cut it into sections. So the thicker bits I'm just going to slice down the middle. And I'm going to separate the white bit from this bit here for a bit later. Okay. Today I'm using half a capsicum and half an onion. I do like a bit of veggies in my stir fries, so this is optional. Cut them into bite-sized pieces. Just open them up. So that's my veggies done. So let's get cooking. Let's start by heating up a pan. Add your oil. Once your oil's heated up, we're going in with our ginger first. And we're just going to saute this for a few seconds. Next goes my green onions, just the white portion. Just saute that through. And we'll just give this a second till it releases its aroma. You can smell the ginger and onion. That smells yum. Onions go in next. We're just going to give this a few minutes till our capsicum and onions just slightly cook. I do want them crunchy. So you'll see the skin of the onions and the capsicum blister just a little bit. Once they're done, I'm going to take them out. Just another drizzle of oil, and my chicken goes in next. I'm going to spread my chicken out and let it make contact with the pan, and I'm not going to stir it just for a few minutes. Just till I see the chicken starting to change color at the bottom. So just give that a few minutes. Okay, that's looking good. Just flip it around. And I'm going to let this cook on the other side. Okay, my chicken looks well seared. I'm going to turn the heat down, just add a dash of water. Lid on and let that cook for about 10 minutes. If you're loving this chicken recipe, I've got a few more clucking good ones waiting for you in the description below. Go have a scroll after this. It's been 10 minutes, so let's check on our chicken. That is looking good. I've got a bit of the gravy. My chicken is nice and soft and juicy. In goes my veggies. Toss that through. That smells so good.
Still watching? You must be hungry for more. Go on, hit subscribe so you don't miss what's cooking next.
And the rest of my greens. Just toss that through for a few minutes.
And that's it. Dinner sorted, no drama. If you give this ginger chicken a go, let me know how it turned out or what you threw in the pan instead, because we know recipes are just suggestions anyway. Hit like if this recipe made your life easier, and I'll see you in the next video with something just as simple and hopefully just as tasty. See you in the next video.